Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hossain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. We will try to discuss investment versus speculation. So you know that in finance, speculation is a very common term, or you have heard the speculation or a speculator, several terms. Now in here we will try to discuss the difference between investment versus speculation. Investment and speculation are two terms which are closely related. Traditionally, investment is distinguished from speculation with respect to three factors: risks, capital gain, and time period. In these three sense, investment is different from speculation. Now we will try to discuss this matter. First is risks. It refers to possibility of incurring a loss in financial transaction. So if you invest, it is the financial transaction and it has a possibility to lose your fund. It arises from possibility of variation in returns from an investment. Risk is an invariability related to return. Higher return is associated with higher risks. A speculator commits his funds to higher risk investment. A speculator is prepared to take higher risks in order to achieve higher return. So it is clear that an investment is related to the risks. So if you invest, it is financial transaction, and financial transactions has the risks matters, and where has the more risks, speculator receive such type of investment or invest such type of assets where has the more risks but has the more possibility of higher return. That is the difference. Higher return, achieve the higher return, that is the risk settings. Later on, capital gain. A speculator's motive is to achieve profit through price changes. That means he is interested in capital gains rather than the income from investment. A speculator's motive is to achieve profit through price changing. That means he is interested in capital gain rather than income from investment. So if you invest, you have to wait. In the previous classes we have discussed the characteristics of investment. You have to wait, but a speculator has no time to wait. Speculation is associated with buying low and selling high with hope of making large capital gain. So speculation, it is clear that buying low, selling high with a hope of a large capital gain. A speculator consequently engages in frequent buying and selling transactions. So this is so earning more profit, he is engaging such type of transactions frequently. That's the capital gain, difference from capital gain. And last one, time period. Investment is long term nature, we know it better. The investment is long term nature characteristics, whereas speculations is short term. An investor commits his funds for longer periods and waits for his return, but a speculator is invested in short term trade gains through buying and selling of investment instruments. That's the difference from investment and speculations. So that is closely related, the matter is closely related, but 3 points are different: time period, capital gain, and risks. These are the 3 points where investment is different from speculations. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.